Hello, my name is Kurt Cruz and this is Brian O'Neill, and we're here today at Coast to Coast International here in the R&D Center to share with you some of the latest CCI restyling and wheel accessories. Let's go. In my hands is an ABS liner that was designed and manufactured to fit into this specific wheel. It's called an imposter wheel skin, and its part number is IMP414BLK or IMP414X. Brian, show us how to install it.
Okay, here you have your 17 to 18 Escape imposter skin. Start by removing your OE center cap. Line your valve stem up. Pop into place, tighten down your bolt, and reinstall your center cap.
What are the advantages to installing an imposter wheel skin? As you just saw, it instantly changes the finish of the wheel. At a dealer level, it helps a dealer differentiate their inventory as well as upgrade the trim level package appearance. For more information, visit us at
coasttocoastinternational.com.